Every day, millions of Kenyans prepare their meals with cooking oil they trust. But what if we told you that behind the scenes, millions of liters of fake, expired, and toxic cooking oil are flooding our kitchens? Right from the port of Mombasa, this is the untold story, the dark side of Kenya's cooking oil industry.
You have seen the condition under which this oil is being recycled into branded oil companies' jerrycans, and I'm just saying that we shall ensure that public are safe from what is going here. And as he has said, we expect the manufacturers also to come forward and assist us. And we shall also ask the Kenya Bureau of Standard and to come forward, NEMA and everybody, to ensure that Kenyans are safe from such unscrupulous business people who want to make profit out of Kenyans.
This is where thousands of cooking oil jerrycans are distributed from. Here they manufacture and distribute to Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, even to the central of Kenya. You can see this is what we call fake oil. This is fake oil. Just imagine, consumers have been taking this kind of oil. They cook their food.
There are quite a number of offenses or maybe crimes of other jurisdictions are also committed within the facility. That is the reason now multi-agency team has been informed by the commissioner, so they join hand with Anti-Counterfeit Authority to unravel and also detect and also deal the case under the criminal procedure.
We have discovered that there are many trucks as well, about 13 trucks. Then we constituted a multi-agency team. All the agencies, government agencies are represented here, and we are going to investigate this matter. I want to inform the general public to be very careful on what they consume, because the conditions under which this fuel is being processed and prepared is very unpathetic and unhealthy. We have the Ministry of Public Health here. Now, Kenyans to be very careful on what they consume. Could be this why cases of serious chronic diseases are coming up, which are unexplained.
This fake oil can lead to long-term health problems like heart diseases, liver and kidney damage, cancer-causing chemicals, vitamin A deficiency in children. Most of these oil lack essential nutrients and contain harmful impurities. Kenyans are unknowingly risking their lives. How can you protect yourself and your family? Always check for KEBS certification. Avoid suspicious cheap oils. Buy trusted outlets only. Report fake products to KEBS or the Anti-Counterfeit Authority. Yes, that is the only way you can protect yourself from such kind of fake oil. From the port of Mombasa to your kitchen, the journey of cooking oil in Kenya is one of trust, betrayal, and survival. The next time you prepare your meal, ask yourself, do you really know what is in your cooking oil? This is a wake-up call. Share to save a life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Yes, together we can raise awareness and protect millions of Kenyan families.